Hello friends, hopefully you are fine today. I got a new money website where you can mine Tron TRX very easily and freely. Here you can see that you will get 300 gigahash power as a sign up bonus from this website very authentically. Now latest transaction in this website you can check out and transaction statistics of this website. In just 2 days the total investment you can see here 5,000 and total deposit 68,000 TRX already deposit here and 9,800 TRX already paid out from this website. Every person join this website to earn a lot of benefit like you and like us. Now join Telegram channel and join Stop Telegram channel to be able to get a lot of info about this website very easily. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. And you have to click on sign up option to create your account in this website, and here you need to enter your username, then email, then put your phone number. It's about your country number, and here you need to enter your password, then confirm your password, then I agree the terms and condition and click on create account. You can create your account in this way in this website through this way very easily and authentically. I have already account. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this money platform, earning platform. Stay with us, stay tuned. Now after create your account and log in this website, this type of interface will come in front of you. You can see here you will get 300 gigahash power as a sign up bonus from this website, and your money will start it automatically without deposit. Now if you have amount to make deposit here, you have to click on packages option now. And here you can see you can start your package through 20 TRX and 100 TRX, about 500 TRX, and we have at least 1000 TRX package available to earn a lot of benefit from this website. Now if you can deposit here 20 TRX, then you will get 1.6 TRX per day from this website. Now if you want to buy this plan, you have to click over here. It will bring you over here and you can see that crypto tokens available, and in the form of USDT you have to deposit a 2.27 USDT in this website. And if you want to deposit it through Tron TRX TRC20, then you have to click over here and you can see that it will bring you over here. Here you got our Tron TRX wallet address. You have to copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet to deposit your exact amount of 20 TRX, exact amount of 20 TRX to be able to make your first deposit to enhance your earning speed in this website. Now here you can see hourly yield, daily and weekly and monthly and yearly return on investment. You can see 12.5 days it will work for you and you will earn a lot of benefit from this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now come to the website and you can also choose this barcode to be able to make deposit here very easily and authentically and enhance your earning in this website through this way. Now if you can't do these things, then we have a referral option that is very useful option. You have to click on it and here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member and other social media platform. If a person join this website and deposit here, you will receive 7% of the deposit amount from your each referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now we have another option that is bounty program. This is very useful and helpful for all of us. Now you can read out all these useful information about this money platform, earning platform. And if you have 2,200 subscriber in your YouTube channel, then you can create a video on it and enter your YouTube video URL here. Then click on submit and you can get 2 USDT to 200 USDT from this website after qualification about bounty program. Hopefully you like it, you love it. You can get through here Facebook, Twitter and Telegram bounty program, each and everything available for all of you, for all of us to enhance our earning, to be able to get a lot of benefit from this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it.